Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric Princess telephone, and this is Connie's equipment from Oregon, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And it's a very nice color, very sought after. Now there is an issue with this telephone. Connie purchased a lighting kit for this unit and it does not work. So the light is not lighting up. We also have some instructions that came with the lighting kit. So we want to go ahead and troubleshoot everything, and we want to locate the issue and make our repairs. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool Western Electric Princess telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we have the cover removed because it would be easier to see the light that way, and we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. Now release it. Press it one more time. And release it. If you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now, we also want to talk about the switch that is located at the back of the base of the telephone. And in this mode, when the telephone is off hook, our light is lit up and it's pretty bright. So when you hang up, the light will go out. And then when you remove the handset, it will come back on. If you hang up, then the light goes out. Now, we have another setting. If you move the switch, the light is on when the receiver is off the hook And when you hang up, it still has a little bit of a light, kind of like a night light effect. And then when you remove the receiver, our light gets brighter. Hang up, the light is dim, but it's still on. So that's a pretty cool effect. They gave you two choices of which way you wanted to use the telephone and the light. Now what we can do is go ahead and plug our line cord in to our analyzer, which will give us dial tone. We can go ahead and hang up. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We're going to end in a 2. Now we want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and place our handset back on our amplifier, because what we want to do is we can push this button on the switch box and that will switch us over to a line and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
Today is Sunday, July 8th. The current time, 5:01 p.m. and the temperature, 88 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll unplug our dual modular port from our line and we'll release the hook switch. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric Princess telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Connie and she can enjoy this telephone the way it used to work and the way it should work with the light. I'm sure this telephone's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.